feeling good.
100 kids.
Yes.
Today, heart to heart, we just came downstairs from the organization, their event, and it was amazing. 100 kids have been given the opportunity to get the medical attention that they need. The Heart to Heart organization and leaders of the organization as well. So thank you so much for.
አለው ለፊስ ነው
አለ ምግብ እንብላ። ምን እየበላችሁ ነው?
የተባረከ ይሁን። ፍርፍርና ቅንጬ እና ዳቦ በሙዝ
ባት የጠራሽው እንዳለ እኮ ምንድነው አግባብ ያለው ነው ምግቦች።
ሁለቱ አግባብ አይደለም።
አይ ጧጧ አስፈላጊ ነው ዳቦ በሙዝ አብይ አህመድ እንዳለው።
ቅንጬስ
እስቲፎ እንዳለው I'm very happy. It took so much, but it took so much from me. You know how stressed I was when I contacted you. She showed up in Sunrise. I really appreciate that. I want you to know that because I've asked so many people on this and I didn't even see a repost. I kind of feel bad. It's okay, but you showed up. Thank you. You made it happen.
እኔ ደግሞ ከቦሌ ወረድ ብሎ
ስለዚህ ቦሌ ማለት ነው አጠቃላይ አይገርምም ግን እድል
play the part, play the role in this. ሁላችሁም እናመሰግናለን።
How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling good.
100 kids.
Yes.
Today, heart to heart,